Have you ever needed to find your iPhone's serial number but didn't know where to look? Whether you're checking your warranty, setting up a repair, or just verifying your device's authenticity, knowing how to locate your iPhone's serial number is essential. Let's start with the easiest and most common method, finding the serial number directly on your iPhone. First, unlock your device and open the Settings app. This is where all your phone's important configurations are stored. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on General. The General menu contains several key options, including information about your device, software updates, and storage. Now, tap on About. At the top of the About page, you'll see a lot of useful details about your iPhone, including the model name, software version, and storage capacity. If you scroll down just a little, you'll find an entry labeled Serial Number. This is a unique identifier assigned to your iPhone by Apple. If you need to copy it, simply press and hold on the serial number. A small pop-up will appear with the option to copy. Tap it, and now the serial number is saved to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere you need, such as in an email, a support request, or a warranty check. Now, what if your iPhone is not turning on or you no longer have access to it? Don't worry, there are still ways to find the serial number. You might still be able to find the serial number by checking the original iPhone box. If you still have your device's packaging, look for the label on the back of the box. Apple prints the serial number on this label, usually near the barcode. This method works even if you no longer have the iPhone itself, making it a great backup option. Another useful method, though not applicable to every model, is checking your iPhone's SIM card tray. Some iPhone models, particularly older ones, have the serial number printed directly on the SIM tray. To check, take a SIM ejector tool or a small pin and gently insert it into the SIM card slot. The tray will pop out and you may see the serial number engraved on it. However, keep in mind that not all iPhones have this feature. Newer models may not include the serial number in this location. Now, let's talk about why your serial number is important and when you might need it. Your iPhone's serial number is a unique identifier that helps Apple and authorized service providers verify your device's authenticity. If you're planning to sell your iPhone or buy a second-hand one, checking the serial number is a great way to ensure that the device is legitimate and has not been reported stolen. Apple also uses the serial number for warranty and repair services. If you ever need to check your warranty status, you can visit www.checkcoverage.apple.com and enter your serial number. This will show you whether your iPhone is still under warranty and eligible for AppleCare services. If you're getting your iPhone repaired, Apple may ask for the serial number before providing service. This helps them confirm that your device is genuine and qualifies for support. Additionally, if your iPhone is lost or stolen, your serial number can be useful when filing a report with Apple or law enforcement. There are also some common mistakes people make when trying to find their serial number. One of the biggest mistakes is confusing the IMEI number with the serial number. While both numbers are unique identifiers, they serve different purposes. The IMEI number is used primarily for identifying your phone on a mobile network, whereas the serial number is mainly used for Apple's internal tracking and warranty services. Another mistake is assuming that all iPhones have the serial number printed on the SIM tray. As I mentioned earlier, some older models have it, but most modern iPhones don't. If you can't find it there, don't worry. Just use one of the other methods we discussed. I hope this guide helped you find your iPhone's serial number. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an important iPhone tip or trick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.